Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll be reviewing the *** Top 5 Best Blender Machines in 2025 ***. Whether you're a health enthusiast, a smoothie lover, or someone who enjoys making quick and delicious meals, choosing the right blender can make all the difference. We've handpicked the best models based on performance, durability, and value for money. Stay tuned till the end, as we'll reveal the top contender that outshines the rest in terms of versatility and power. For the most up-to-date pricing on these products, be sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content. Let's dive in. Number 5. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the ** nutribullet full-size blender combo 1200W in matte white **. Whether you're a smoothie lover or just need a versatile kitchen tool, this powerful blender promises to take your nutrition extraction to the next level. Let's get into it. Cleaning up after a big blend is always a hassle, but not with this nutribullet. The pitcher and cups are dishwasher safe, and the extractor blade just needs a quick rinse with soap and water. It's quick, easy, and keeps your kitchen mess-free. This blender looks sleek with its matte white finish and compact design. It fits easily on your countertop without taking up too much space, making it perfect for everyday use. Plus, it's built to North American and Canadian electrical standards for safety. Overall, the ** nutribullet full-size blender combo 1200W ** is a powerhouse that delivers on both performance and convenience. Whether you're making smoothies, nut butters, or soups, it's versatile, easy to use, and a great addition to any kitchen. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Number 4. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the Ninja Blender Mega Kitchen System BL770. This powerful 1500W blender comes packed with features that can handle everything from smoothies to dough. If you're looking for versatility and power, stay tuned. For those busy mornings, this blender comes with two 16-ounce Nutri-Ninja cups and to-go lids. You can easily make nutrient-rich drinks and take them with you. It's the perfect solution for anyone who wants convenience without sacrificing quality. Finally, let's talk about the blades. The stacked blade assembly for the pitcher, the dough blade for processing, and the Nutri-Ninja blades for single-serve cups ensure perfect results every time. Whether you're chopping, blending, or mixing, these blades are up to the task. So there you have it. The Ninja Blender Mega Kitchen System BL770 is an incredibly powerful and versatile kitchen companion. With its 1500W motor, multiple functions, and ease of use, it's definitely worth considering for your home. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews. Number 3. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the Ninja BN801 Professional Plus Kitchen System. If you're looking for a powerful, versatile kitchen tool that can tackle smoothies, chopping, dough, and more, this might be your new best friend. Let's take a closer look at its features. One of the standout features is the Auto IQ technology. It takes the guesswork out of your blending. This smart system uses pre-programmed patterns of pulsing, blending, and pausing to create the perfect consistency every time. Just set it and let the system do the work for you. Need something for your busy lifestyle? The Ninja BN801 has you covered with two 24-ounce single-serve cups. With spout lids, these cups make it super easy to take your smoothies or nutrient-rich drinks with you on the go. Perfect for busy mornings or post-workout refuels. The Ninja BN801 Professional Plus Kitchen System truly brings versatility and power into your kitchen. From smoothies to chopping and dough making, it's got it all. If you want a reliable, high-performance kitchen companion, this is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Number 2. Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the Vitamix A3300 Ascent Series Smart Blender. If you're looking for a blender that combines power, versatility, and sleek design, this might be the one for you. Let's break it down and see what makes it stand out from the rest. The A3300's sleek touchscreen interface not only looks amazing, but is super practical. It's easy to clean and gives the blender a modern, minimalist feel. You can adjust settings quickly and effortlessly, making it perfect for those who want a stylish, user-friendly experience in the kitchen. For peace of mind, the A3300 comes with a 10-year warranty. This is a blender built to last. In the box, you'll find the motor base, a 64-ounce low-profile container, a tamper, and a recipe book to help you get started right away. It's everything you need to blend like a pro. To wrap things up, the Vitamix A3300 Ascent Series Smart Blender is a powerhouse packed with innovative features like wireless connectivity, a programmable timer, and a touch interface. Whether you're blending for yourself or the whole family, it's an investment that will elevate your kitchen experience. Number 1. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the Vitamix Professional Series 750 blender. This powerhouse is a game changer for home chefs and smoothie lovers alike. From smoothies to soups, it promises professional-grade performance. Let's explore what makes this blender so special and whether it's worth the investment. Cleaning this blender is a breeze. Thanks to its self-cleaning feature, all it takes is a drop of dish soap, warm water, and 30 to 60 seconds. No more spending time scrubbing tough residues. Plus, its low-profile 64-ounce container fits under most kitchen cabinets, making storage a snap. To wrap it up, the Vitamix Professional Series 750 blender offers fantastic versatility, powerful performance, and convenience. Whether you're blending smoothies, soups, or purees, this blender ensures consistency and quality every time. If you're serious about blending, this is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. That wraps up our list of the blender machine in 2025. Hope you found this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you subscribe to the channel, welcome to our Great Gadgets family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.
Yeah.